Hello everyone and welcome to learnfrenchwithlara.com. I'm Lara and today I'm going to present you a new French GCSE question. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant les vacances? Because yes, the holidays are finished. So what did you do during the holidays? Here we have 34 possible answers. Okay, so stay with me till the end because I will tell you all about the flashcards so you can learn this vocab. And also I've put all the vocab in Quizlet. Now, if you like that type of video, please like, subscribe and share. And let's start. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant les vacances? Pendant les vacances, je suis allée au cinéma. Je suis allée au cinéma. So here you have to add an E if you are a woman. So you have to say je suis allée. Please note that the S followed by a vowel is linked and it's like the Z sound. So je suis allée if you're a woman. Je suis allée if you're a man. Au cinéma. I went to the cinema. Pendant les vacances, je suis allée en ville. Je suis allée en ville. En ville is in town. Pendant les vacances, je suis allée à un match de foot. Je suis allée à un match de foot. I went to a football match. Easy. Pendant les vacances, je suis restée dans un hôtel. Je suis restée dans un hôtel. So here we have the same. If you are a female, you have to add the E because here we are using the auxiliary to be, être, and not to have. So you need to have the E at the end. You need also to link the S dans un hôtel, again, the Z sound. Je suis restée dans un hôtel. Hôtel, we don't pronounce the H. Je suis restée dans un hôtel. Je suis restée dans un hôtel. Maybe you had to stay before because you had COVID and you were in quarantine in a hotel. You never know. Pendant les vacances, j'ai joué au tennis. J'ai joué au tennis. Here we don't have the auxiliary to be, so it's a lot easier. You have to have. Okay? J'ai joué au tennis. Now, tennis is masculine, so we use au. If we use the feminine, we say à la. For example, j'ai joué à la pétanque, because pétanque is feminine. You know, it's a ball game in France. J'ai joué à la pétanque. J'ai joué au tennis. J'ai joué au basket. J'ai joué au golf. Anything. So you have to remember if it's feminine, à la, if it's masculine, au. Pendant les vacances, j'ai joué à des jeux vidéo. J'ai joué à des jeux vidéo. Here we have the video games. Pendant les vacances, j'ai mangé des glaces. J'ai mangé des glaces. So I had some ice cream, of course, even though the weather wasn't very hot. Pendant les vacances, j'ai retrouvé des amis. J'ai retrouvé des amis. Here you have to link again, des amis. Can you hear it? J'ai retrouvé des amis. I met up with some friends. Pendant les vacances, j'ai écouté de la musique. J'ai écouté de la musique. You listen to music. Pendant les vacances, j'ai acheté des vêtements. J'ai acheté des vêtements. I bought some clothes. So here you have the little hat on the E pour vêtements. So all this is in the passé composé. This is the tense where you have the auxiliary have, avoir, and the past participle of the verb. Pendant les vacances, j'ai regardé des films. J'ai regardé des films. Of course, because it wasn't very nice weather. Pendant les vacances, j'ai nagé dans la mer. J'ai nagé dans la mer. You swam in the sea, if you were lucky. Pendant les vacances, j'ai visité de la famille. J'ai visité de la famille. I visited some family. So de la, du, des is the partitive adjective. It means some. So famille is feminine. You say de la. Du is masculine. You say du. For example, j'ai mangé du fromage. I ate some cheese. J'ai mangé de la brioche. Brioche is feminine. De la. J'ai mangé des croissants. Croissant is plural, so you use des. Pendant les vacances, j'ai dormi. J'ai dormi. Ah, that's my favorite pastime. Pendant les vacances, j'ai perdu mon portable. J'ai perdu mon portable. I lost my mobile. Pendant les vacances, j'ai vu un spectacle. J'ai vu un spectacle. I saw a show. Donc, spectacle is not spectacle, it's a show, okay? So it's like a false friend, really, in French. Pendant les vacances, j'ai bu du coca. J'ai bu du coca. So coca is Coke in French. Pendant les vacances, j'ai fait les magasins. J'ai fait les magasins. So here you did some shopping. You went to the shops. Magasin is shops. Pendant les vacances, j'ai pris des photos. J'ai pris des photos. You took some pictures. Pendant les vacances, je n'ai pas joué au tennis. Je n'ai pas joué au tennis. So here we're using the negative. For the negative, you use ne pas, but of course you have to put the apostrophe, remove the E in front of a vowel. Please note that we have a lot of silent letters. Je n'ai pas, there is a S, you don't pronounce it, joué au tennis. Pendant les vacances, je n'ai pas mangé de glace. Je n'ai pas mangé de glace. Now, maybe you notice something different. When we use the affirmative voice, we say j'ai mangé des glaces. If we ate some ice cream, a lot, plural, or j'ai mangé de la glace, that doesn't work because that would be the ice that you put in your drink. So really, if it's the ice cream, you say, j'ai mangé des glaces, okay. But now if you use the negative, you don't say des in the negative. You have to remove the S and say de. Je n'ai pas mangé de glace. Now you have the choice of adding a S or not. If you don't put the S, it means you only had one ice cream. If you put the S, it means you didn't have any ice cream at all. All right? Je n'ai pas écouté de la musique. Je n'ai pas écouté de la musique. Now, here the silent S of pas is not silent anymore because it is linked to a vowel. So you say pas écouter. Je n'ai pas écouté de la musique. I didn't listen to music. Pour you. Pendant les vacances, je n'ai pas acheté de vêtements. Je n'ai pas acheté de vêtements. So here we have again the link, the S to the A. Je n'ai pas acheté de vêtements. So we don't put des. In this case, we put de. Vêtements, I put S because usually when I buy vêtements, I buy quite a few. But if you don't put S, that's not a problem. Je n'ai pas regardé de film. Je n'ai pas regardé de film. Je n'ai pas regardé de film. I didn't watch any movies. For you. Maybe you were outside enjoying the nice weather. Pendant les vacances, je n'ai pas vu de spectacle. Je n'ai pas vu de spectacle. So you didn't see any show. Pendant les vacances, je ne suis pas allé au cinéma. Je ne suis pas allé au cinéma. So here you have to link the S with the A, so pas allé, and you have to add the E for the feminine because aller is a movement verb, and when we use the movement verb, we use the auxiliary to be and not the auxiliary to have. Je ne suis pas allé au cinéma. Je ne suis pas allé au cinéma. Now we say au because cinema is masculine. If we have feminine, we say à la. For example, if I didn't go to the swimming pool, I would have said, je ne suis pas allé à la piscine. Pendant les vacances, je ne suis pas allé en ville. Je ne suis pas allé en ville. Here you have the same, don't forget to link. Pas aller en ville is in town. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait pendant les vacances? Oh, c'était passionnant. It was fantastic. Passionnant. Usually the adjective with A and D is like a participe présent in French, which is used as an adjective. And it's an adjective, basically. It means great. So you can use c'était, which is the past. C'était with AIT. This is the perfect tense. And you can add pretty much any adjectives. And there, here you are. You have your opinion. Now, if you need some help to learn the verbs and the conjugation, I have, as a bonus on my website, a list of the 24 more common words in French in all the tenses, present, past, future, with it's color-coded so you can see easily which endings are the same and how it works. It's developed to be one blink. One blink gives you the understanding of how the conjugation works, basically, so you can download it. What else can you say about opinion? C'était génial. C'était génial. That was also fantastic. C'était intéressant. C'était intéressant. It was interesting. C'était nul. C'était nul. Nul is not very good. C'était ennuyeux. Oh, c'était ennuyeux. It was boring. Ce n'était pas nul. Ce n'était pas nul. So it wasn't bad. Ce n'était pas intéressant. Ce n'était pas intéressant. It wasn't interesting. Don't forget to link the pas and the I. Pas un. Ce n'était pas intéressant. So here we are. So this is the end of my presentation. So I wanted to tell you now about the flashcard. So I have designed these little games as flashcards, and you can use it in different ways. You can use it as dominoes. So for example, you have one card only with the picture on one side and one card with the text on the other side. So you can do different games. You could do, for example, domino. If you print them as it is, you have one domino, and the idea is to link to match the picture with the text as a domino. So you can use it as a domino. You could print it and cut it card by card, and then there you can use it as a matching game. You have to match the text to the picture. You could also use it as a memory game. So you turn all the cards and then you try to remember which one is which, and you have to match them, picture and text. So here you are. These are flashcards to learn the vocabulary. I also put the vocabulary in Quizlet, which is an app which helps you to learn the vocabulary in a fun way. So I've put that on my website. So I hope this helped. I will do a lot more videos. I really want you to get top mark at your French GCSE. And I will say, have a nice day and see you later. Bye bye. Cheerio. Au revoir. Bon apprentissage. Bonne merde.